Moving along, number 10. Number 10 is, oh, that's a killer. 7 plus x minus 1 squared, 3. X equals 5, z equals 4. So first thing we do is, they're giving us information, we got to plug it in, right? So we're going to put a little sexy 5 here and a, Christopher, a 4 here and a 5 there, right? X goes here, z goes there. Let's rewrite this. 4 plus 5 minus 1 squared, 3. Now, this is meant to destroy our confidence. Whenever you have like multiple powers like this, multiple exponents, you always start by the one on the inside. So let's, the one on the inside, the square of 1 is 1. Now, this is something really freaky. Just a little recall segment we're going to do. So if I do 2, 1, that equals 2. If I do 2, 2, that equals 2 times 2 equals 4. If I do 2, 3, that equals 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8, right? This is 4 times 2 equals 8. Now, with 1, it's a cheat, because anything multiplied by 1 is 1. So 1 of 1 equals 1. 1, 2 equals 1 times 1. 1, 3 equals 1 times 1 times 1. It always equals 1. So all this here is meant to confuse you. So in reality, let's do this. First, we'll do the inside exponent. So let's rewrite this equation. 4 plus 5 minus 1, because this is this, which equals 1 to the third. Now let's rewrite it. 4 plus 5 minus 1 to the third equals 1, which means 9 minus 1 equals 8. Got it? 4 plus 5 here. And that's the answer to that. Number 11 now. M plus n plus m plus n minus 2. M equals 1, n equals 2. Let's do some replacing. There's a 1 here and there's a 1 here, right? And for the n's, there is a 2 here and a 2 here. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus n, which is really 2 over 2. So this goes here, this goes here, right? Carrying over. What's 2 divided by 2? Equals 1, right? So let's rewrite this. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Number 12 now. Number 12 is 3 plus z minus 1 plus y minus 1. Y equals 5, z equals 4. So let's do this. Here's your z. This is 4. Y equals 5. Let's rewrite this equation. 3 plus 4 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1. That's pretty easy. What are you? Oh, whatever. All right. That's a 7 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1. 6 plus 5 minus 1, right? 7 minus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 5 equals 11 minus 1, 10. Number 12 is 10. All right. Number 13 now. 13. Q minus P minus Q minus 1 minus 3, close brackets, P equals 3, Q equals 6. All right, let's take a look at this. So first we're going to replace the Q's with 6. So 6 here, the 6 here. And we replace the P's with 3 here. Let's rewrite it now. 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3. So let's do this. 6 minus 3 equals, oh, do the parentheses first, right? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We have a parentheses here. So 6 minus 1 is 5, minus 3 is 2. Do we agree? 6 minus 3 minus 2. So 6 minus 3 minus 2. Right? Because this plus 2 turns into a minus 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3, minus 2 equals 1. Is that really the answer? Yes, it is. 14 now. P plus Q minus R. 6 minus P. P equals 6. Q equals 5. R equals 5. Now, what they're trying to do here is scare you. But let's be systematic about it. Let's just transform the letters into numbers, shall we? So P equals 6. There's a 6. Q equals 5. R equals 5. So this is really 6 plus 5 minus 5 multiplied by 6 minus 6. Do we agree? But then we have a little catch here. 6 plus 5 minus 5 is 0. Multiplied by 6 minus 6 equals 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And that is our answer. 15 now. Y minus 4 minus y minus z minus x. Oh, lots of brackets. Y equals 3. Z equals 6. Okay, am I okay? Can I get going? So lots of brackets here. There's one here. There's one here. And every time you have many brackets, you always start with the inside one and you work your way out. That's the best way to do it. But first we're going to turn all these letters into numbers, because each one of these letters represent a number, a specific number. So 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3. Just want to go here and put a 1 here, 6, and 3. Did I get that right? 1. Yeah, looks good. So we're going to start with the inside brackets, right? So 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3 is 3. 3. And now we have the second brackets that we have to do. 1 minus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is a big fat 0. Are they messing with us? Is this really 1? Yes, it is. 16 now. Number 16. So we've got 4, that's a bad Z, 4Z minus x plus x minus Z minus Z. That looks like a killer. X equals 3 and Z equals 2. So what are we looking at here? 4Z. Let's replace the numbers first. 4 times 2 minus x and x, so this is 3, and z minus z, 2 minus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 3 minus 2 minus 2. So once again, we're in the familiar situation, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We have the famous situation where we have two brackets. We have this big bracket right here and this little bracket. We always start with the small one inside the big one. Okie dokie. So 2 minus 2 equals what? Yeah, it equals 0. So 4 minus 2, 3 plus 3 minus 0. Boom. So now we have one bracket left. We've got to solve for this guy. So 3 plus 3 equals 9 minus 0 equals 9. So that's 4 times 2 minus 9. Now we have a multiplication right here. 4 times 2 equals 8 minus 9 equals negative 1. And I don't have the right answer. What did I do wrong? Christopher, what did you do wrong? What did you do wrong? 4z minus. I'm so stupid. I found my error. Have you found it? Right here. Right here. It's 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right. Good. All right, so we were at the first bracket. We did the small bracket inside we knew was 0. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So 4 times 2, brackets, 6 minus 0. Don't forget the minus sign right here. So 6 minus 0 is 6. So 4 times 2 minus 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. And that is the answer. It's pretty sexy if I do say so myself. All right, so k times 3 squared minus j plus k minus 5. J equals 4. K equals 5. All right. Okie dokie, the first thing I think we're going to do is replace the letters with numbers, right? So I have a k right here, that's a 5. I have another k right here, that's a 5. And I have a j right here, that's a 4. So let's rewrite this. 5 times 3 squared minus 4 plus 5 minus 5. Okie dokie. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. First thing we do is parentheses. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So let's rewrite this. 5 times 3 squared minus 9 minus 5. Next one is exponents. I see one right there. And that 3 is really 3 times 3, right? 2. 3 to the power of 2 really means 2 times 3. 3 times 3. Not 2 times 3. Twice you multiply 3, so 3 times 3. All right, so that would be, let's rewrite this. 5 times 9 minus 9 minus 5. Then we do multiplication, which is right here. So that's 45 minus 9 minus 5, which is 45 minus 9 equals 36 minus 5. 36 minus 5 equals 31. And am I right? Am I wrong? It says I'm wrong. It says it's supposed to be 36. Wah, wah, wah. They made a mistake. Hold on, let me go check. Okay, I just want to go look at the solutions manual, and I'm right, and the solution at the end of the book is wrong. So like there's like the book, like this one right here, and there's actually a solution manual which exists, which gives me 31. So we're okay. Moving on. Hold on a sec. Oof. Okay, number 18 now. 18. A3. That kills me. When the solution manual is wrong, I will spend hours on that problem trying to figure it out. I'm just like making my brain explode. All right, so A3, now we got powers here. Now they put more powers. So first thing we're going to do right away, replace the letters by numbers. So here we have 3 to the third power, brackets, 2 to the second power minus 2. So first thing we're going to do, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, so I see a nice fat parentheses right here. So let's do that. And that is, oh, we have like an exponent, so minus a number. So first we have to do the exponent first, right? Inside this parentheses, so that is 2 of 2 is really 2 times 2, and that is 4 minus 2, right? And 3 to the third multiplied by 4 minus 2 equals 2. And now we're back to a multiplication problem. However, we do have an exponent. So exponent comes before multiplication division, so we have to do it. So 3 to the third is really 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 equals 27. Do we agree? So 27 times 2 equals, oh boy, I'm really shitty at this. 4, that's a 14, 54. Is that the answer? Yes, it is.